Tide rolls in, the story flows, a place where only the wild wind knows. There's a place where the river bends, where the lake and the ocean blend. The channel's deep, the waters glide, a world of wonder side by side. The air is crisp, the trees stand tall, the shallow flats, they cradle it all. And in baskets bound by the farmer's hands grow treasures born of this timeless land. Oh, where the waters run pure and sweet, life is steady, the rhythm beats. From the heart of the lake to the ocean shore, there's bounty here and it gives us more. At sunrise, when the world's still new, they cast their eyes on the morning dew. The spat so small, held in floating trays, they grow with the flow of the tidal waves. It's patience here that wins the day, the rhythm of nature shows the way. Each harvest tells of the care they give for a lake that thrives so all can live. Baskets rise with the shifting tide, each oyster shaped by the lake's wild pride. In every shell a story grows of the waters that feed, of the hands that know. The farmers hum as the gulls take flight, their melodies echo through the fading light. The shallow flats where the channels weave whisper a song of what they believe. In the hush of dusk, their work is done, the lake reflects the setting sun. Each shell they hold is more than gold, it's a piece of the lake, a story retold. Oh, where the waters run pure and sweet, life is steady, the rhythm beats. From the heart of the lake to the ocean shore, there's bounty here and it gives us more. So raise a glass to the life we lead, to the baskets bound and the growing seed, to the run pure and sweet, life is steady, the rhythm beats. From the heart of the lake to the ocean shore, there's bounty here and it gives us more. So raise a glass to the life we lead, to the baskets bound and the growing seed, to the pristine waters, the gifts they bring, and the songs of the lake that we'll always sing.